Hi everyone, I hope you all are well. Today I'm here with another new video. Today I'm going to talk about healthcare and well-being of gamer. So the next comes our health and games. When we play game, we spend hours on playing game, but we forget to take care of ourselves, like sleeping 6 hours, at least 6 hours in a day, having meal on proper time, taking care of body like bathing and etc, and having the good food like fruits and vegetables, and having some fresh juice, so which keeps our body good. Because when we play game and this, we don't take care of other thing which is very important for us. Another last one is that we have to drink a lot of water to avoid this hydration. Sometimes due to lack of water we face like urinary system problem. What do you know? One thing, like one of my sir's friend, it was very important story that you should know, that the man was working in office, he did not get any thirst or like that, but after 3 years of his that working on that job, he came to know that he got kidney stone, because due to the not drinking a lot of water, he's not feeling as thirsty. But the thing is that we don't know the side effect of not drinking enough of water, so drink enough water. One more important thing is that taking care of eyes. We have to take care of eyes by splashing cold water, so which reduce the eye irritation. And sometimes due to this eye irritation our eyes become red, so you have to avoid that. We have to splash water, cold water on eye. Then you have to go out and walk and look outside, not neighbor son or daughter, to the tree and some nature scenery, and look at the sky. Don't look direct to the sun, this will affect. So it provides a vision power and mental peace also. So make sure that you go out and look, otherwise this will, if you're continuously watching any game or like watching it, it will affect a lot. If you feel this video was useful, like and share, and subscribe the channel for getting more videos like this.